So I'm down here at the second homestead, and the tornadoes come through close about 2 weeks ago. This is what happened. My neighbor's tree fell over into my yard. So I'm gonna clean it up, but I will be contacting my neighbor for reimbursement because I'm having to pay somebody to do this. But yeah, we just came across the, as you can see, walk up a little closer. But anyway, this is what I'm doing today. Out here cleaning up the yard. I'm going to start mowing here in just a moment. So while they're doing that, I'm gonna go over and check on my pomegranate bush. I brought some super juice to put down on it. See, I got some blossoms. I'm gonna get my husband while he's down here to get all the dead limbs out of there. But we may have pomegranates again this year. I just need to get down and see. We had some last year. And so we can do with that. The wind has been up so high and we've been getting so much rain. It's just ridiculous. And here's the fig. I don't see not one fig. This tree used to produce the most figs. And it's a brown turkey, I do believe, is what I figured out it was. But anyway, I can smell it, but I don't see any figs. We'll hold out hope. But anyway, you guys, I got to get busy. I got to mow while the cleanup crew is here, cleaning up the trees. So, you guys have a great day, and you'll see what my day will be like. Good day.